students, class 11, subject accountancy beta, unit number 6, chapter 6, topic accounting equation. Accounting equation. Under the concept of accounting equation, assets equals to liabilities plus capital. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपके माइंड में क्लियर होना चाहिए कि असेट्स इक्वल्स टू लायबिलिटीज प्लस कैपिटल, सो दैट कॉम्बिनेशन इज नोन एज अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन. दैट कॉम्बिनेशन इज नोन एज अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन. ओके, सो concept of accounting equation, totally practical approach. So accounting equation signifies that the assets of a business are always equal to the total of capital and liabilities. So again हमने assets equals to liabilities plus capital. Assets equals to liabilities plus capital. Concept clear है? The assets of a business are always equal to the total of capital and liabilities. So assets equals to liabilities plus capital. A business transaction will result in the change in either of the assets, liabilities or capital of the firm. Again, a business transaction will result in the change in either of the assets, liabilities or capital of the firm. So for example, assets equals to 1 lakh rupees. Okay, liabilities 40,000 plus capital 60,000 rupees. Capital 60,000 rupees. Clear है बेटा? Concept of accounting equation. Again, accounting equation signify clear cut that the asset of a business are always equals to the total capital and liabilities. So assets equals to liability plus capital. Okay, so 1 lakh rupees equals to 40 plus 60. A business transaction will result in the change in either the assets, liabilities or capital of the firm. Okay, note करिए बेटा. So और again और करके भी नोट कर सकते हैं हम इसको. और liabilities को इस साइड ले आते हैं. liabilities equals to assets minus capital. Now if I calculate liability, liabilities equals to assets minus capital. Okay, so assets equals to 1 lakh rupees minus capital 60,000. Okay, so liability equals to 40,000 rupees. ओके, नोट करिए. So if calculate liabilities, then assets minus capital. If calculate capital, if calculate capital, if calculate capital, so equation is capital equals to capital equals to assets minus liabilities. Okay, so again assets is 1 lakh rupees. Assets is 1 lakh rupees and liabilities is 40,000. Then capital 60,000 rupees. Then capital is 60,000 rupees. Okay, so concept of accounting equation, unit number 6. Accounting equation signify the assets of a business are always equal to the total capital and liability. Always equal to total capital and liability. So assets equals to liability plus capital. Okay, so a business transaction will result in change in either of the assets. Change in assets means maybe change in assets, maybe in a liabilities, maybe in a capital of the firm. So again equation is, if calculate liability, so liability is the left hand side and assets minus capital. Okay, so 1 lakh minus 60,000, so again 40,000 rupees. And if calculate capital, so assets minus liabilities, calculate capital, so assets minus liabilities, so assets 1 lakh rupees minus liabilities 40,000 rupees, so capital equals to 60,000 rupees. Okay, yes or no? So transaction, Gopal started business with 75 rupees capital, 75,000 capital. So question is, Gopal started, for example, Gopal started business with 75,000 rupees capital, 75,000 rupees capital. Okay, so equation is assets equal to, again equation assets equals to liabilities plus capital. So in this question cash is coming, so equation is cash equals to liability plus capital. So assets में cash equals to liabilities plus capital. So cash 75,000, liability 0 plus capital 75,000. So both side is equal in a accounting equation. Okay.